Hey man, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, welcome back to another video. So I got the vlog set up today, cause look, boy, we got a big package. If you guys watched my most recent video, or one of my recent videos, I did do a review over the Trippie Redd X Rose and Good Faith collab, and you guys already know my opinion on them. It was a brand I just found up and coming, and they're really nice. They take the extra step to actually, I don't know, like their pieces is just very unique. And they watched my video and they was messing with it, and they actually went ahead and they sent the boy pieces from the last collection, the one with little skies. So we're gonna do an unboxing, a little try on, and we're gonna see the pieces. And now I can actually give y'all like a real life review over like what the quality is like, if it's really worth the buy, and just everything. I can give y'all like that first hand, you know, what to expect if you guys are gonna go ahead and purchase something from them. So without further ado, let's get this freaking video started and let's get the unboxing going, man. Wait, but first, I did not forget, I'm gonna need you guys to smash up this like button. I need 100 likes on this video. 100 likes for, you know, an unboxing. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go down below and subscribe, because we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. But now, let's get the unboxing going. Alright guys, so right now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the whole unboxing. I'm going to go through each and every single piece. And this is from the Little Skies X Rose and Good Faith collab. There was a whole bunch of pieces. If you missed out on it, don't worry. They're going to have plenty more drops and whatnot and collabs coming. And essentially, they sent me 3 pieces. I went ahead and I put one of the shirts on. And I just want to go ahead and say this. Once I get to that piece, they say that it fits true to size, but I think, based off how it fits me, that if you really want a true baggy feel, you might have to go up an additional size, okay? So we're gonna start off with the very first piece. And the first piece we have is this hoodie, and this is the Soap and Ultraviolet hoodie. And it is, like, looking at the piece and whatnot, and like actually getting it like on hand, I'm not gonna lie, like what you see is kind of like what you get, especially whenever it comes with the type of prints and designs that they go ahead, or like, you know, blends that they have for the garments. Because I feel like one thing about their brand that kind of stood out to me was like the type of blends and whatnot that they have. Because if y'all saw in the last video with Trippie Redd X Rose and Good Faith, the thing that caught my eyes was one of the pieces that I think that was the piece that I ranked #1, was the fact that the garment itself, it had like this nice like off-white to like red blend. It didn't look, it was like, I don't know, it looked as if it could have been hand painted. That's really what caught my eye. So for this piece over here, it's very nice. It's not the cropped hoodie, it's just a regular hoodie, but looking at the blend and the material, and I'm not gonna lie, it actually got some weight onto it, some real nice weight, and I'm pretty happy with it. So they have this piece right over here, they have the logo over here, Rose and Good Faith, and this is essentially the Little Skies collab. And based off of this piece right here, I'm not gonna lie, like I literally feel like it's, from the material and whatnot, it's definitely worth the price that you're paying, from the designs and whatnot. Like this blend is very nice, you know what I'm saying? This is like, seems like they really put a lot of time and effort into each and every single piece. So this is the very first piece. You know, your boy's happy with that one. I should have already put it up full screen for you guys to see, and then at the end we're going to do like a little montage highlighting the pieces, so you guys stay tuned for that. And then for the second piece, I believe this is the Dark is the Sky tee, because from the looks of it, this was the closest thing that I could find on a site that looks like it. I mean, this one is a little bit more orange, but the whole layout and whatnot is essentially the same. And what I was trying to touch on in the beginning is essentially this. Okay, so this piece right here is a size extra large. I normally wear a size large, so this piece on me right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, I have the Astro shirt, and it is a large, and it fits me. I have that nice cool little baggy feel. However, for this piece, the XL fits me just the same. So if you're looking for like that true baggy feel or whatnot, you might want to go up just one additional size. But one thing that I can say that I really like about these tees that I would love to implement, like whenever I do merch and whatnot, is the way it fits on your neck. So like sometimes with some of the Astroworld shirts and whatnot, like this one in particular, it fits my neck, like it fits around my neck very nice. But there's some other pieces, like I know you guys probably saw if you watched my Travis Scott video, you guys would have seen one of the shirts, they kind of fit me wide around my neck, and I don't really like that. Whereas for this one, they tend to hug your neck, and I like that a lot, because especially like when you wear jewelry, if you have the Cuban on and whatnot, you can most definitely rock it with something like this, and the Cuban will show. You don't have to worry about the Cuban going underneath your shirt and none of that. So that's something that I really like. But again, I would recommend you guys going up one additional size if you do want that baggy feel, because on the site it says they run to the size, but it's kind of tough maybe for certain pieces, but for this one in particular, I can say that you most definitely need to go up a size. Okay, and for this last piece that they went and sent the boy the butterfly capture shorts. And if y'all know anything about me, I love rocking shorts. I rock them all the time. Shorts. It is a size medium, so we're going to see how it goes. They got a nice cool little print of a butterfly. Feels like nice quality. You can't just go ahead and scratch it off. And then we have the little logo right over here. So, you know, in all, I'm happy with each and every single piece that went. And I'm actually happy that they went ahead and sent me, because regardless if they would have sent me the pieces or not, I already had my eyes out for them. So I was already going to go purchase them, because there are some pieces I was like, man, I gotta have. So just the fact that they even went ahead and they sent me these pieces for me to even go ahead and review, I can definitely go ahead and let you guys know that quality wise, it's top notch. I'm not gonna lie, compared to like some of the other merch pieces that I've been doing, especially like even like with the V-Loan. Y'all heard my review whenever it came with the Weekend and the V-Loan. I feel like they kind of hit a little corners to go ahead and like, I guess, produce a lot of pieces, because the quality wasn't right there. So if you're looking for a good high quality piece coming from me, I would definitely rock with these. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what they actually look like on body. I'm gonna try and style them a little bit, and just so you guys can get a good idea. But let's get started.
Genius.
All right, you guys, so in all, I do want to go ahead and say that I would recommend for you guys to go ahead and shop with Rose in Good Faith. And no, I'm not just saying this because, you know, they went ahead and they sent me some pieces and whatnot. Like, this is actually coming from me. You already know how I am. I'm bluntly honest. If I wasn't messing with the pieces, I would literally go ahead and say it. But one thing that I can go ahead and vouch for is that the quality is great. You know what I mean? A lot of these other places, like in merches, places with more hype and whatnot, that are, I guess, more established, the quality and the fitting is not what they have. I can honestly say that from the material, you can already tell that it's going to last a very long time, and you don't feel like, and I'm positive that whenever you wash it, you're not going to have to worry about any of like the prints bleeding through or anything like that. And both the creative director and the owner got in contact with me, and I can say, speaking with my conversations with the two, they're actually putting in more time, effort, and money into not having to take shortcuts. So like from the designs and the concepts, they're actually putting in a lot of work, and personally, I feel like sky's the limit for them. I'm actually excited to see what they have in the future, and to be honest, as long as they keep up with these type of like collabs and stuff, I feel like they have a lot of potential. So for those of you guys who actually want to go ahead and cop, they're going to be dropping more and more things, you know, and whatnot, and I will recommend it, because regardless, I was going to go ahead and cop pieces myself. So, you know, it worked out. It's like a win-win. I still went ahead and got the pieces, but like I said, in all, I would recommend it. For good, high quality pieces, and it's something that I know you guys will be happy with, because I'm happy with it. Okay, but anyways, guys, I need you guys to smash up the like button. As you guys can see, we editing the video right now, so we need 100 likes on this video. And if you're new to the channel, what is you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, roll the 10K, man. Let's get it, man. Anyway, this is boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out. Whew.